Hello, this is Brandon the Jet, does cars, and today we're going to does paintless dent repair. Probably beyond my abilities with paintless dent repair, but we're going to try. As you can see, this is not my place. I'm up here house sitting for my older sister, and I'm was looking for projects that I could do up here, and I go, oh yeah, I got a bunch of little dents on the car that I wanted to fix. I've got this paintless dent repair kit that I've hardly been using. I've used it a handful of times. I have fixed dents with it. I've done work to the car with the kit, but I've got all these little dents that I knew that I needed to fix, which is why I got the kit, and I never fixed them. So I guess, yeah, whatever. Roll the intro. See you guys in a second. Okay, so this is the dent that we're going to work on today. Maybe this as well. I've got some little quick release tabs to fix this because a lot of the little clips on here for the bumper, they're broken and it's not going in place very well. But before I put those quick releases in here, I was thinking that I'd like to fix these dents because it is a little off kilter. So if I fix these dents, then I can kind of readjust it. And if all else fails too, I'm a master with body filler, so if I can get this down to where it's safe to use body filler, I can grind it away and body fill it, patch it up, no big deal. So let's get started. So that's it for that. I'm recording this intro like a few weeks, a month after I made that. Originally, I wasn't even gonna make the whole video, but I heard from a subscriber that you know, they weren't sure how easy it would be to put the quick release tabs on there for the band style, the rubber band style quick release, not the button. Although I think I could do the button and pull it off too, but this way it was just really easy. It was $10 at AutoZone. I was able to find them, so you know. But I figured that I could show you that it is pretty simple, but there are tricks. So first of all, anytime you're gonna drill a hole in something that you don't want to ruin the paint on, or you know that you don't want to, you want a clean hole, masking tape first. You put the masking tape across, and it holds everything in place, and it gives you a point to kind of press on, because I didn't want to I can't take like a center punch and pop a little hole, like a little dent in the side of my quarter panel there. You know, the dent would spread. It wouldn't be right where I need it. And so you have to just kind of, you know, drill the hole slowly. But using that masking tape, you're able to kind of rest the drill on the tape, and it won't, you know, jump around on you. So that's just a little trick that I have. So if you do it like that, you know, you take basic measurements. I kind of was just like, okay, I took the two little things and I wrapped the rubber band around them. I pulled them really tight and held it up to a ruler, and I said, okay, you know, about 2 inches is probably as far as I want these to be, you know, before it's too tight or too loose. So then I just made sure that wherever I put the one, the other was 2 inches below it. And having it pull in the right direction too. You know, if you have it pulling straight up, it's just ain't gonna do any good. You want it to pull it back to hold it on to the front. But you know, that kind of stuff is pretty simple, and it's well worth it if all your clips are busted. Especially, I wouldn't do it if my bumper wasn't gonna fall off. You know, or if really it's not that the bumper's gonna fall off. It's more that my bumper was hanging off on the sides. Like there's little screws all along the front and everything, and up top on the cross member, the radiator course port. There's little bolts and screws and push tabs that hold the bumper in place. It's not just gonna like fall off on you, you know, with having all those, but it sticks out on the sides because those tabs don't stick in. So the quick release kind of pulls it in place and holds it tight so that it looks good, or goodish. And the quick release tabs do look kind of cool too. So either way, I just figured I'd, you know, throw this at the end of it. I didn't film an outro. Apparently I can't find one in that folder, so I'm making a new intro now. And you know, if you have any questions, feel free to throw them below. You know, I'm pretty quick to respond. I'll try to get to everybody, you know, all 1 or 2 of you that will comment. And you know, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I got a giveaway still going on till September 19th. All you gotta do is subscribe and then show me in some way on Facebook or whatever, and you know, to show me who you are so that I can put you on the list, and then when I call you out, I can tag you on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you decide to send me. That's why I did it that way, is because if I just throw all my subscribers in there, they might not see me tell them they won on the video, because they, you know, they might not watch the videos, all of them. You know, some of the subscribers might not even be real. So I wanted to make sure that it's for people that are actively engaging with my content. You know, it's like it's a reward. So yeah. So if you do subscribe before September 19th, just tell me some way. Go on Instagram and even if you go on Instagram and you tell me you subscribed, I can go and verify it. You know what I mean? So it's not, you don't really have to send me the screenshot. That was just something I threw in there. But yeah, I appreciate all the support, and yeah. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you cats on the flip flop later.